we're going to create a little HTML, CSS, really a JavaScript game, I guess. That does all the work, really. But so I'm going to use jQuery. But so we're going to make a little clicker game. It's going to be real simple, basic. I also know Unity, so maybe I will do Unity videos, but it will be after Flutter and probably after iOS and Android. So I want to show you how to connect native web, iOS, and Android. Basically make plugins for the Unity games. But now this is just going to be a simple HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So, yeah, so just make a new folder. I just have and open it. So I'll just name it coronavirus. So you would just do file open, then open your folder. This is to create a new file. Let's create a new folder. So I'll create an index.html. And you could either do HTML5, which that will create that, or you could do the exclamation. So yeah, and then this is jQuery, so just save that, and we'll change this to. I'll leave the link to all the code in the description as well. But so name it coronavirus. Defeat the coronavirus, I guess. This is just the text that shows up on the tab, but if I could spell. Okay, and then oh man, in the body we'll do the header, which will do a div. We'll call it what we call it. So I guess the same. Defeat the coronavirus. Okay, and then so we'll just look at this. So I'm using. You can use live server, which is right here. Okay. You install that, so you click on it. It'll say install instead of uninstall if you don't have it. So you'll just right once you have it installed, click open with live server, and every change you make will show up right here. So I'll just show you. So if I just copy this U and save it. Let's see. Which maybe I messed it up. It just seems to not be working. What the heck? So what it's supposed to do is every change you make, it's supposed to show up. But something is not. Anyways, oh well, it's fine. I saw it gave an error earlier, but I didn't really check to see what it said. But it's cool. It's cool. Okay, so next we'll do, which that sucks. But okay. Anyways, so we'll add first. We'll make a container class. And then we'll do a div. So it's just going to be a click game. So we'll do hit count 0. Start at 0 because you won't have any hits at first. Or actually, we'll do on this. We'll do, I want to copy. So this I want to show after. Okay, I guess I should explain the game first. But basically, you're just going to click on a picture of the coronavirus. And then after it'll start with, after each like 5, 10, 15, whatever, it'll decrease in size till eventually it's gone. It'll say, congratulations, you defeated the coronavirus, something like that. And then we're going to show them a link to get more information about the coronavirus. So, a little something fun and helpful. So, yeah. And So now we want to show the image, which we don't have an image. So, I mean, I have it. I downloaded the images already, so I'll leave a link in the description. So for this image, I want to use as the cursor. Once you mouse over the, basically the coronavirus picture, it'll show this before you click it. So something kind of cool. And then I just Googled coronavirus. I clicked images, then I clicked tools. Then you click color, it'll be color. Then I click transparent, and then so it showed all the transparent pictures. Then I clicked on this one, and I downloaded that. So yeah, now we'll just add that. So first we'll make an image folder. I need to make a folder for everything really. So I'll just copy these images, the image folder. And then next we'll click up here, create another folder for styles. You can name it CSS, whatever. Create a file on that called game style.css. And then we'll create another folder called, or not styles, but what is it doing? Oh, this is in images too. So you want image, you don't want it to be an image folder. I don't know what it was doing. And this is all in VS Code. Maybe, I think that's why it's not working. So let's move all of this outside of. So, okay, I think that's what it was. I think that's why the live server wasn't working. It was all in VS Code for some reason. I'll delete this because that's weird. Visual Studio Code just does that. It'll probably put it back in there, but. And now, JavaScript folder. And we'll make the main, we'll do main.js. So that little file that it was in, everything was in, it won't happen on yours. It's just because I had a project. I deleted all the code. Yeah, so anyways, we'll connect everything. So first we need to connect the CSS, so we'll do // which means current folder. You can just type styles really, but always just a practice. And then script. And we'll go ahead and type source / JavaScript. We'll do main.js. And then we'll do a sync. You could do defer if you want, but either way. So yeah, now so it should work now actually, the live server. I think because it was in that file that didn't work. So what's that? Oh, it just crashed, which sucks. Okay. Let's just see if it works. I'll just copy S. Yeah, see. Yeah, it was just because it was in that file, whatever, which was weird. So now I want to style this up a bit. So we'll go here. We'll do some reset, some CSS reset. I'll just do some basic. I'll just do margin padding. And we'll do, yeah. So by default, browsers have margin and padding. So that just resets it. So we'll do the header next. And I'll do text align, center. Every time you save it, it will show the change. So do some padding. We'll do like 25 pixels. We'll do a font size of 1.3 em, I guess. I don't know, I'm just choosing stuff. So we'll do a background color. So I'll do light green. I don't know, see how that looks. Oh, that's all right. So then we'll do the container. which I'm just going to use the flex box, or display flex. I'll do the flex direction as a column, and we'll do a line item center, which will center everything. And then we'll do hits, which will be the hit count, which I don't think I've set the ID, but we'll do padding 25 pixels, I guess. We'll just copy the same thing we did up there for the header. So, which is not going to change right now because I have to select it. So for the virus picture, we'll put the runner, I guess. And yeah, we'll get to that. So we'll do an ID, or not right there. Hits. What do we name it? Hit count, hits. Okay. So now you see the change for that. We'll add an ID to this. So it'll be the success text, I guess. Okay. We'll add an ID to this. Which / image coronavirus. Which now it's way too big, so change the size in the CSS to be a width of 200, I guess. We'll do a height of the same thing. So you can change it however you want, but yeah, so what else do we want to do? So we'll do the JavaScript. So which I forgot what it is. Is it this? Document real. And then I forget. Let me jQuery document edit. I forget what it is every time. Ready function. I had it sort of right. I'll just copy this. Yeah, I never remember. Well, it's not. You don't use jQuery document. Yeah, it's usually this. I don't know. So, okay. And then we'll create a function. I forgot jQuery element click. Pretty much the same code. So this is using the grepper extension. It's a Chrome extension. So they kind of find the most, or they try to find the most used code, show it to you instead of you search or going through clicking in links and looking. So it's pretty cool. So anyways, we'll change this to the Rona. And instead I just want to print out. So click the Rona just to see if it works. So Command Alt I to show the console, or you can do a spec element or spec whatever, and then go to it'll probably be an element, so you probably click these two arrows and go to console. So we need to refresh it. So we're importing main, right? I mean, you want to give the error if we didn't. Probably need to do it in order. Yeah, okay. They're just the order of this, so make sure you change the order. So, yeah, okay. Because we have to load this first before we. Oh yeah, it's because I'm using the sync too. So, anyways, I think yeah. So we need to load jQuery before we use it. So let me get the click function. So this is the Rona, and we'll just do, oh, you can just hide it like that. Use that in my code, but anyways, we'll do hit count equals 0, and then we'll change the hit count code or hits, which is the ID. I believe it's text equals. We'll just test it out. Oh no, I'll just write it out. So okay. It'll increment the hit count. So my battery's about to die. So let's just see. jQuery change text. So I don't remember what it is. Set text. This, yeah. Oh, you put it inside of the. So let's get rid of that. So this should work. All right. Hopefully my computer doesn't die. So see that changes every time I click it. I believe something's wrong. It's only incrementing once. Oh, yeah, because I'm resetting hit count. So you want to put hit count above the click function. So that's what it is. So yeah, okay. Anyways, so we'll do a switch, and we'll get the hit count, and we'll do a case when it's 5. We'll do 5, 10, and 15. Or I could have left that there. Anyways, we'll do a default, which I'm not going to do anything actually. We'll create a function, so change image size, I guess. I'm trying to hurry before my computer dies. So I just need to get my charger real quick actually. So we'll add the size, and I believe it's the same thing as this, but the round it's just width. I think that's what it is. We'll look it up if it's not, but again, the height. So we'll change the image size here to 150, 100, 50, and 0. Okay, so let's just see if that works. Okay, yeah. And so next we want to just show the success text. Let me get my charger real quick. Alright. Next, we'll change the, when it hits 0, basically when we change the size to 0, we want to show the success text, which is showing now. It just doesn't have any text, so we'll do Congrats, you cured the coronavirus. For more info on how to help others, click here. Which, yep. So we'll delete this real quick. We'll do that, and we also want to do the cursor, so let's just check this real quick. So that goes to another page, but really we want it to just open a new tab. So go to A tag, type target, enter, and blank. So all this does is open up a new tab, which I'll show you. Let's add dot dot to go up a directory or a folder. We'll do syringe. So now it should show the syringe image over when we click or when we hover over, just to give it some extra appeal. It's kind of hard when it's that small, so you might want to change the syringe size, or maybe make it go away on 15. But anyways, yeah, so here, this should open up a new tab. Okay, so that was just a quick video. So yeah, y'all stay safe out there, and thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, comment, tell me what I could do better so I can help just make better videos for y'all. So thanks. See you next time.